is a key to these doors, to open them one by one. And that key is very simple. It is called Astaghfirullah. That's all. That's a key. Astaghfirullah is a key to a lot of the closed doors that we have, if not all of them. Many doors are closed in our lives. To open the door, you need the key known as Astaghfirullah. What is the meaning of Astaghfirullah? It means, oh Allah, I seek your forgiveness. Forgive me. That's the meaning. With us as Muslimin, we have a misunderstanding. We think that only when I know that I've committed a sin, now I need to say Astaghfirullah and I need to repent. No. It is not only confined to when you commit a sin. Even if you have not committed any sin according to you, you need to still go through with Astaghfirullah. It is the key to the doors of the goodness of this world and the next. This is why you and I, we believe firmly that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was sinless and spotless. And he was perfect, and he is the best creature of Allah, the most noble of all prophets. We believe that. Yet if you go into his life and his words and his statements, the hadith says he used to seek the forgiveness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala more than 70 times a day. And sometimes 100 times a day, according to some of the narrations. Why? Why does someone who is spotless, sinless, perfect need to say, I seek your forgiveness, O Allah, when there is nothing to forgive? Have you ever thought of that? It is because Astaghfirullah is the key to the doors of goodness of this world and the next. Whatever you want in your life, ask Allah's forgiveness. And ask Him in a way that you mean it.